Do you want to change your Game Center nickname? In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the steps necessary to do it in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Game Center. Once you find the Game Center, just tap on it. And now you'll be able to see your current Game Center nickname. So if you want to change it, simply tap on it, delete the current one, and then enter your new nickname. So one thing to keep in mind is that your nickname has to be unique, otherwise, you won't be able to change it, and it's going to give you an error saying that nickname isn't available. Once you've done that, tap on Return. This is exactly how you change your Game Center nickname on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.